Hi, beautiful souls. Namaste. Hope you all are doing very well, and I'm sure we all are pretty excited to welcome New Year, to welcome this 2022. Because, yes, last 2 years were quite adventurous, I can say, for every one of us. So let us see what like just glimpse of year 2022. It won't be a detailed reading, but it will be just glimpse, like what you can look forward to. So, as usual, timestamps are in the description box. And yes, please do remember these are generalized readings, so please don't try to fit in if uh, you are not resonating with any of the stuff that I'm saying, because many a times, like just the messages are flowing. So just don't try to if like something is not resonating, don't try to judge yourself on those terms. So here I have four aspects. First one is health and happiness. Health, that is so important for all of us. Next is career. Third one is wealth, and fourth one is love. So these are the aspects that we will just tap into these energies, and let's see what is coming through. And if you would like to book a personal reading, all my details, like contact details, are in the description box. So yes, let us dive deep into it. And yes, you can either choose either of the aspect, or you can look through all the timestamps. All right, I will see you the other side. Hi, group number one. Let's first start with health and happiness card. All right, this is happiness, health and happiness that we are checking for group number one, or people those who are in generally looking towards health, like how will be the health. And here are the cards like regular, so we can have the this is light series tarot deck, and we can just have the clarifiers through this particular deck. So first let me check like what is coming through. All right. So with regards to your health and happiness, at first what I am sensing, this will be the year where you are literally putting in the effort towards your health and happiness. You are highly thought of. All right. So by looking in this card, I am sensing that you are this thinking person who are ready to start a new regime with regards to your health, with regards to your in general well-being. That I am hearing the word well-being, that I'm hearing very very strongly. And also you are thinking about some kind of transformation. All right. So maybe you are changing the pattern of your workout. For few of you, you are also planning to change the gym. If you are going to gym, you are getting called, you are getting like the divine guidance to change something with regards to your daily lifestyle, with regards to your health. Also it could be with regards to your diet. Okay. So in coming here, what I'm seeing, that energetically you are getting more and more sensitive. Someone will gossip about all your secrets, is what I'm seeing through. So, and also with this transformation card, what I'm seeing, it's not necessarily like gossip kind of thing, but you are getting very very sensitive, highly energetic in your energy field. So in this particular like what we say, when you are getting energetically very very sensitive, there are very high chances that you might grab people's energy, you might grab certain toxicity, where suddenly you might feel low, you might feel down about the raised energy that you have experienced. And also you are advised, you are getting this guidance to have the balance that you are that you can achieve. And also by the book, this card shows like have a structured, have a systematic one by one step towards your health and well-being. So with this a balance card and by the book, I am sensing it's not only about the physical health that you are taking care about, but it's also an overall mental, emotional as well as spiritual your health that you are looking forward to. So few of you are getting more inclined towards meditation or towards something like that. Maybe you are also working on your shadow self. So shadow self are heavy dense emotions that we deal since childhood. So that is the thing that I'm getting very strong. So I'm also sensing that don't with this gossip card, I am getting the guidance to tell you that don't believe on everything that you are listening. It could be through your friends, it could be within your family, your relatives. So just be very clever, be very um, insightful about the stuff that you are listening. 11 number is coming through very strong. 11 is a master number. So yes, what is coming through with regards to health, fitness and well-being for collective? Also one thing I'm getting with this balance card, don't overdo things. Avoid doing it overly, like overly into workout or overly into strict fancy diets. So overall balance that is coming through very strong. Yes, King of Pentacles showing up. You are you are coming to the decision to invest in yourself. Invest, like you are ready to invest good amount of money, and you are understanding like that investment will be helping you in an amazing way. Also there is some kind of decision with regards to your health, with regards to your well-being that you are seeking. For few of you I am sensing that there could be certain surgery or certain operation that you have been postponing since quite a time, and in this coming year you are taking the decision to invest in that medical treatment. That is coming through very strong for few of you. Okay, yes, that is coming for 1 or 2% of the collective that is watching this. Yes, and with King of Cups I am also sensing you are getting more aligned with your own self, with your energies. You are just understanding, you are getting very resonated uh, uh, with what your mind, what your body is trying to tell you with regards to health and also with regards to well-being. For few of you I am sensing certain affirmations could help you to bring that balance, to bring that amazing health and well-being that you are seeking, that you are wanting. All right, so this is all I have with terms of health and fitness. I wish you amazing health, amazing fitness levels, and yes, have an amazing start of the year and also end of this year. Yes. Hi, group number 2, career. So people who are keen to know about like what they can expect in this coming year 2022 with regards to their career, this is bunch of cards that I have and the clarifiers that we will check into. Okay. So with this particular combination of cards, what I'm seeking in the present moment, you might be feeling very stuck kind of energy, or you are getting that inner calling to seek some kind of change. It could be internal change that like wherever you are working, or it also could be maybe you are thinking about changing your career or changing your job in the same career. That is what I am getting through. And I'm seeing some kind of stuckness is there, because hangman is there, also the card called as miser. So I am seeing some kind of blockage, some kind of, pulling back that is coming in the present situation that you might be experiencing with regards to your career. Few of you are waiting since a very long time to experience this kind of change. Maybe you might have got the opportunity to go on site, or to change your job, to change your career, or to just switch from job to business, or business to job, however your personal situation is. But there is lots and lots and lots of thinking that is being going. All right. And with hangman card, I am sensing like towards coming in coming few weeks, you will be in the position to experience that aha moment in your career. Because with this card grasshopper, situation in the balance that require careful handling is what I'm getting here. And this card, dog barking, advice from a friend. All right. So I am sensing that whatever situation you are in with regards to your career, major changes are coming through in like in new year, and you are pushed to take certain decisions that you need to take it by yourself. All right. And I'm also sensing either of your friend could be of great help for you with regards to changing this particular pattern, this particular changing this particular thing that you are seeking in your career. So yes, number 44, that comes to 8. I am also sensing with this number 8, few of you are stuck in an repetitive pattern when it comes to your career. That is the message that I'm getting very very strong. And also, I'm with this miser card, what I'm sensing is you are maybe underestimating yourself, maybe you are selling yourself very very low, whatever you are into. Maybe I am getting that you are going through self-worth issue, or maybe you may not be feeling very very worthy to have that kind of upgrade in your career. Because if you see this card, like here is all the treasure and stuff, but this person having everything, this person is like in the dark, in the darker space. So I am sensing in the coming year you are upgrading yourself with whatever it is, and you are coming into full power uh, uh, with uh, with your skills, with your knowledge, with your expertise with regards to your career. For few of you, I am sensing that you are recovering from some kind of loss. Is I am sensing it could be an loss with regards to your opportunities, with regards to your career, or you might have missed an very important opportunity, and now you are coming in full circle, and you are recovering, you are receiving whatever you have this feeling of loss. Yes, you are finally putting down all the baggage with regards to your career that you are holding. You are letting go all the burden and heartache that you have experienced. For few of you, I am also sensing you might have exerted yourself physically, mentally and emotionally with your current career. So in the coming new year, you are coming out of that cycle. If you see this pair of cards, like 10 of wands, 3 of swords, the moon card and the ace of wands. So within a week's time, like, or in the first week of January, there are important decisions, there are important cycles that you are ending, and you are coming into a brand new cycle. All right. So this is just like, taking that pause and actually stepping towards the career, stepping towards the profession that you are really really like, looking forward to. For few of you, I am sensing that you want to make your career in food industry, in food business, or you are planning to have some cafe or restaurant, or a home based business where you are like delivering the food items to people. That is coming through very very strong. And also there is set of people watching this who are willing to have this kindergarten or pre school for kids, that kind of thing that is coming through very very strong. It is something with regards to kids. All right. So yes, this is all I'm seeing for the career aspect, for people those who are like more keen to understand about the career. I wish you an amazing amazing year that is coming ahead, and best of luck for all your endeavors. Thank you. Hello there, group 3 people, those who have got attracted to this wealth card. Let us see what is the wealth or the money aspect, or material aspect that we will be experiencing in this year 2022. So here are set of cards. All right, and with this light series tarot deck we will be having the clarifiers. So yes, let us see what we can experience in the aspect of wealth, money, material stuff. Okay, I am sensing with regards to wealth, many of you are waiting on someone who is mm, who is supposed to pay you a lump sum amount, where you might have given them or you might have invested with them, and that is the thing that you are waiting, a huge chunk of money that you are supposed to receive. Yes, unfinished symphony that I am seeing. And also for few of you, you might or you are planning to go in a legal way, because the shield card, you need to defend yourself. So I am sensing, if you are waiting on someone to have this money, you need to confront, you need to talk, you need to like ask about this money, about this wealth, or whatever you are expecting materially. You need to have that courage, you need to stand up for yourself. All right, that is coming through very very strong, because also I'm seeing unfinished symphony. You are waiting on something, maybe it could be an incentive, maybe it could be even your salary that you may not have got since few months. That is coming through very very strong. For many of you, it is money with regards to inheritance that you are waiting on. There is some kind of documentation, there is some kind of legality that needs to be completed. But the good part is all that is coming in full circle. The lovers card that is showing like certain choices, certain decisions are made with regards to this wealth, and also family wishes coming true. So whatever it is, in this particular year you are receiving it. You might have given it to your friend, you might have been waiting on like you I am okay. There is something like really particular that I'm sensing for someone. I'm seeing a scenario where you have invested your money in some kind of machinery, and that is like you invested, and certain situation might have like come up where you decided not to buy that particular machine or that particular thing, and your money is stuck. So you are receiving that money is what I'm just sensing the images, and that is coming through very very strong. So whatever it is, you are getting that money back. Just you need to keep a record of that. You need to have that courage to ask for that money. Many of us have problem in asking the money. All right, so just release that shyness, release that shame towards asking your own money, and you will receive that. Because at the end, I am seeing a very happy outcome of the entire thing to the person who is viewing this. So family wishes coming true. It also could be certain distribution of inheritance or family wealth that is being done. I am sensing for few of you, you are being given a hold of certain family business. You are like the entire, for a few of you, entire business is being hand over, or a part of it that is coming through very strong. And for you, it's an wish fulfillment. You always wanted to do that, and you are receiving that. Wish fulfillment. I just spoke about wish fulfillment, and there is this card of wish fulfillment, Nine of Cups. All right, so with this Queen of Pentacles, I am sensing, with regards to this wealth, I am sensing especially a feminine figure. It could be your mother, or it could be your grandmother, who is actively involved in this entire thing. For few of you, of course, and for many of you, you are coming into this energy. Queen of Pentacles. It doesn't matter what gender you are, but this Queen of Pentacles is someone who is very abundant materialistically as well as spiritually. This person is very strong. They exactly know what they are doing and what steps they need to take. So I am sensing for a few of you, you are coming into this power, you are coming into this energy, which because of which you are attracting all this wealth and material stuff that you would like to have. For few of you, I am listening, you are planning to buy a luxury car. All right, so please do let me know in the comment section if you are like planning this. And yes, the courage thing that I was talking about, in the present moment, you may be in a very indecisive kind of energy. You may be feeling confused, or maybe you are also influenced by someone. So I would suggest, like, do your homework, do any kind of research survey by yourself with regards to this aspect, and have the courage to ask whatever belongs to you, is what I can say. All right, so yes, for few of you, I am sensing like you are getting an offer with Knight of Cups. I am sensing you are getting some kind of offer where your expertise is very important. So you are getting this opportunity to work as a freelance, to work as a partner with regards to that business. Also, I'm sensing like someone is ready to invest, where you will be looking the technical part and that person is investing, or vice versa. All right, because with this particular aspect, I am sensing you are benefiting in an amazing way. So for example, if you are for example, if you are like doing amazing food stuff with regards to functions, with regards to celebrations, that kind of stuff, so maybe you might receive an amazing opportunity with regards to catering, with regards to giving food to people. And that is the breakthrough that you are that is the breakthrough for you, by which you can start your business, something like that. It was just an example. So yes, uh, Yeah, this is all I have for this particular group. I wish you a very healthy, wealthy, prosperous new year, and do let me know how did you feel this reading. Thank you so much. Hi there, last group. Love. So it's not only romantic love that we are talking about. It could be love and relationships in general, with friends, with family, with relatives. Let's see what it is showing. So here we have group, like bunch of cards, and we will be having the clarifiers. All right, so let us see what we can expect, what we can experience in this coming year with regards to love and relationship. Okay, so with regards to love and relationship, uh, the card teapot that says deep friendship with someone of the same sex. All right, so in this coming year you might meet someone, especially I'm seeing friendship with a woman, fair woman, dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray or white hair. So for few of you, it is with whatever work, especially I'm listening with regards to your career, with regards to your job. You might meet someone of same sex, and for most of you it could be a woman who is, like, showing up in your reality, and she might be your mentor. She might be like, your relationship might turn in a very very good friendship. And also, if you are interested in woman, um, it could turn into an amazing relationship, romance. For a few of you, I am listening. So yes, people, those who are asking, like those who are seeking like romantic love, I am listening the word, this isolation for you is ending. All right, you are coming more into the energy where you are getting ready to attract your partner, to attract the love of your life. And you might also meet someone while traveling, while going to different place. And also, with regards to love and romance, you might meet someone where this bond will go on a deeper level. It might end in something solid. Okay, engagement card is coming through. Your love life is ascending to higher level of commitment. So people, those who are already like in a relationship, you might get engaged, you might get married in this coming year. So for many of you, I am sensing an amazing friendships, like new friends you are making, that is coming through strong. And I am sensing like this could be an friendship which later on may convert into a business partnership, or you might meet someone with same interest and you are starting up a business. That is coming through very very strong. Ace of Wands, yes, of course, you will have this passionate new beginning with this person. Traveling is coming through very strong. And also, like after Ace, yes, Page of Cups, new offer of love, that is that you might sense. And also Lovers card that is showing up very very strong. For few of you, it could be the time where you need to make decision between two or more than two people. If you are like looking to for commitment, for anything with regards to love and romance. All right, and yes, I'm sensing it might give you like lot of mental chaos. All right, when it is coming with regards to particular person, or if you are having two or more options and you need to choose between one person. So I'm also sensing, again with this card, travel is coming through strong, because the person, for few of you, if you are looking towards love and romance, the person that you are attracting, he or she could be far from a distance, or you might meet them in some kind of travel. That is what I'm sensing very strong. And in the present situation, I'm sensing that most of you watching this, you could be single, all right, or maybe even if you are in a relationship, you may not be very sure about what is happening in your relationship, because I'm seeing some kind of internal conflict that is going through very, very strong, all right. But the good part is, in this 2022, you are again coming in full circle. You are gaining in coming in this amazing alignment, amazing decision making situation, where you are taking certain decisions which will benefit, which will be very beneficial to you, all right. So yes, when we are talking about 2022, so like there are three twos in 2022, and it comes down to number 6, and 6 is the number of love, relationship, partnership, harmony, peace, all that kind of energies. So I won't be surprised, like this 2022, for many of us, it could bring like great sense of commitments, love, romance, relationship, and all that stuff, all right. So yes, is there anything else that we need to know? I'm also sensing with deep friendship with someone of the same sex. Knowing this person, or getting like deeper friendship with this person, through them you might meet the love of your life. You might meet someone really very amazing, which you can look forward towards deeper commitment. This is coming through very, very strong for few of you, all right. Last card, let's see. I am getting the guidance to have one more card. All right, so you are attracting someone, all right, where there will be like equal give and take in the relationship, all right. This also could turn into an business partnership that is coming through strong, all right. So this is all I have for group number 4, or people those who are keen to know about their love life in 2022. So I wish you a loving and amazing year ahead, and thank you so much for being here.